in a distant land called lived a man named Job. And for a while, life was perfect. He had 10 children, flocks by the thousands, and a reputation for righteousness. Every morning he prayed for his kids, just in case they'd sinned in their hearts. He feared God and avoided evil. But far above, in the courts of heaven, Satan appeared before God. "Have you seen my servant Job? No one on earth is like him. Of course, you protect him. Take it all away, and he'll curse you to your face. Do what you want with what he has, but don't touch him." And that day, Job lost everything. His oxen stolen, his sheep struck by fire, his camels raided, his servants killed, and worst of all, a storm crushed the house where all 10 of his children were feasting. None survived. Job fell to the ground and worshipped. "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." But Satan came back. "Let me strike his body, then he'll break. Do it, but spare his life." Job was covered in painful sores. He sat in ashes, scraping his skin with broken pottery. "Curse God and die. Shall we accept only good from God and not trouble?" 3 friends came, accusing him, blaming him. "I've done nothing. I want to speak to God himself. Though he slay me, yet will I trust him. I know my Redeemer lives." Then a whirlwind, God answered. "Where were you when I laid the earth's foundation? Can you command the morning, guide the stars?" God didn't explain the suffering. He revealed his power. In the end, God restored everything, twice as much, and Job lived long, blessed and beloved.